Oh, they got the in there. All right. Ugh. Well, I'm amazed that I did the thing this week, making that um new part of the algorithm. It just fit right in. I guess it was there in the original, but like, it's still nice to perform well. Wow, my shirt is crazy wrinkly. Look, it's got holes in it as well. It's probably done, but I just don't care. All right. That is not the stuff. I wonder if the maps got updated. No. Okay. Same error. Uh, how is that the same error? Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to change my plans. I liked the ambiguity of why not work as a stream title, because what I was my intended meaning is, why does the thing that I made not work? But it also has another meaning. Why not work today? I love reducing the ambiguity of what I say until I'm okay with every interpretation. It's pleasing. Every interpretation is acceptable. Okay, so what I want to do first is write down some ideas I had for a game tutorial, because my bills are going up, and the way to have more people playing your game is to have more people understand how to play your game. So for B-Hop and Surf, it'd be good if they had a tutorial. All right. New file, tutorial, underscore ideas. Okay. So yeah. This is a speedrun game. What type of game is this? The goal is to reach the end zone as fast as possible. There is a bug In the physics engine. In the physics engine. This allows you to strafe mid-air. Strafing. Strafing is how to strafe. Press the key. Turn the camera. Hell yeah. Me when I strafe. What is involved in strafing? Strafing is achieved by. That's like so awkward. Like, would a real human talk like that? Air strafe by pressing a key and then turning camera. Now this is the critical idea that I wanted to write down. You can imagine summoning a wall next to you when you press the key. Turning changes the wall's orientation and shapes your direction of travel. So I was thinking like actually showing that. So the idea would be like you're like moving along and then you like spawn a wall. It goes and you go but in 3D and you like make the walls like semi-transparent and then you have like an overview and you watch expert gameplay and these little walls and you can like see the trail in there as well. Something like that. Yeah. Well, okay. Well, there's that. I wrote it down. Okay. I'm gonna go in and fix the map thingy bug. I believe it's a API key issue. Crikey. Oh. Okay, let's try Da-da-da-da. StrafeNet CI2. Log in there. How is it so loud, man? The God, I got freaking flashbang by the Roblox games. This. God. Okay, there we go. Now we're talking. Okay. Edit this API key. Asset read. Right. Boom. Okay, legacy asset manage. I don't remember what that's for. Okay. Okay, I believe that I fixed the issue, but we will see eventually. Neat, neat. Okay, I can work. Why not work? Okay, so something happened. So I need to think about what I expect to happen when this code runs. Wait a minute. Can I do this? Yeah. I can. Okay. Crikey. Oh. Deduplicate? Coalesce. Okay, good change. It's kind of a freaking easy thing. I should really remove it. That's not part of this change. It's just so easy. I don't really understand how to debug this. So I can foresee a problem where it does detect it, but then the point of contact is one that's already being removed, so it enters an infinite loop. But that's not what happens. Yeah, I don't have no idea what's going on. If dist is 0, then we want it. But I can't really get it to. I couldn't really get it to be 0. Strafe, 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 strafe. Uh, that should be fine, right? Oh, it happened. What? What? I just could not get it to happen before. What? Dist equals 0 crawl to fev some fev. Excuse me. Tell me it's a. So it doesn't happen here, but it does happen here. Edge, edge, vert. Is that okay? It's supposed to always be a face. Language barrier. One algorithm speaks vertices. The other algorithm speaks mesh topology. Wow. And it gets lost in translation. The correct result. What about this? Kind of nuts that it works. So in this one dude, in this one case, does it? No. Edge vert. God, it'd be so much nicer to be able to see it. Live visualization. I'm just a little bit amazed by the corner of my screen. 1/4 of the screen is 1080p. It's a weird thing to be randomly amazed by. Random. So it returns the contact point as the edge, which means it's just going to throw it away before. It's just going to throw it away on the next go because it's not a real contact. Closest fev not inside. I'm surprised. But okay, why doesn't it always activate for all objects? Oh, yeah. I forgot. You're always moving. So silly. All right, let's just look at that again for funzy. Pretty cool. Not quite, eh? Okay, well, let me look at the code. What would happen in that case? Goes here. Closest to no, is like crawl. Oh. Ooh. Okay, so the algorithm is the weak point now. Ugh. Well, couldn't I make a fast case just for this? Because the point will always be on the surface of the mesh. Let me try, because that would be real nice. So we have this expand function, but we don't need it. Oh, all I need to do is determine just a one loop step. And if one loop step fails, then we know for sure they're not touching. Oi, 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 oi. None of next point, next pause, next point. Oh my god, bro. Hmm. Hmm. Oh. Whatever. Uh. Okay. So should I configure this algorithm with fast fail? Or do I assemble the pieces? Crikey. Um. Yeah. Yuck. Okay, so I'm gonna blast it to bits here. Different error. Oh my god, bro. No operation ID? This is whack. All right, well, bring up the code. Okay, just a second. Um, Shrimplex triangles. We smack this like this. Shrimplex. Jeez. Return array of 4 triangles. For real. I don't think use that again, right? Third copy. Jeez. Okay. Relax though. What about that? Position. Do we need this? Probably for that. Yeah, okay. Um, so then we get the E of the um, and then this bit also needs to go into a function. Okay. I can hold that for a sec. Hold that thought. Okay. We. Go to map service. The validator. Um, upload map fix operation asset operation error. No operation ID. Huh? Good lord. Well, at least it's failing gracefully here. Oh, Roblox. No operation ID. Christ, on a bike. Oh my God, dude. I need to see what the hell Roblox is returning here. Asset operation. Self. Roblox operation. Asset operation. Roblox operation. You know what would help is if there's a staging environment. That'd be so helpful. Let me check the dingy dongers. Target asset ID go. Updated. Oh. Okay, so it's not successful. How do I do this? I need to print this. That's what needs to happen. I need to show me the money. So it's not this. The result parses successfully, but then it fails to get the operation ID. What the? What? Well, I don't really know what else to do. Let's just test on main. Because, like, I don't really have a choice. Okay, what if I log out? Yes. And then... okay, I'm logged out. And then staging. Okay, it says, oh, I'm logged in here. What if it's just like messed up? Yeah, same thing. Yeah, I can't freaking do anything because of this error. Okay, we test on main. It's fully broken, so like, oh. Yes, I'm still listening, YouTube. This is why I'm stealing all the music. I have to deal with YouTube. The gatekeeper. Okay, so there is asset operation. That's all I need. I just need to see the contents of the message. There's like very little I can do without knowing more information. Horrible timing. Okay. Now we wait 5 minutes. Oh, why doesn't it work? What do you mean 500? What was the error? Right, RPC. The like freaking staging environment is like it can't like find the internal something service. Transport arable dialing TCP meaning ugh. Is it the web API? Map fixes? What? I don't remember. Service audit events. That's it. List audit events dot list. So is this dot db where? No. Wait. Wait. Okay, it's not that. This succeeds, and then it goes user service client. This is what's failing. Okay, I didn't understand that. So what is it? Out of sync staging data. That's the one. Oh. Oh. It says okay, well, there's your problem. 15 hours error. Cool. Well, I actually root caused the problem. Um, um, the data service staging environment version is messed up. Comment, whatever. Okay. It's documented. Okay. Okay, is it done? Are you done? No. Waiting. Waiting. Another minute or two on this, and then we can go cause the bug again, and then Roblox will tell us what the hell it's sending us. What the hell? Master map service. We will want to look at the validator once it is deployed. I'm pissed off that I didn't know about the Roblox API, because like it's what I wanted, but I didn't know it existed. I complained about this, and now Roblox deprecated the old API that I was using that I wanted to move away from, and now I have to live test this. Just a bad situation. Okay, well, it is ready to fail. Let's go. Actually, I'm gonna do it. Okay, we'll go here. It's ready to fail. Open this. This is ready to fail. This is open. Okay. Boom. Yeah. And then we watch this. What do you mean summary? Logs. Wait, what? Okay, what the hell is wrong with the music? Oh, was that all of the music? Yes, okay. Oh my god. Album. Okay, go. Why can't I see logs? That was the whole idea. Huh? Huh? Do I need to freaking refresh the page or something? 2 minutes, logs. Oh my god, I can see the log. Okay. None, some false, done. What the hell is Roblox sending me? Uh, okay, I need to stop testing this on the website. Hopefully, I can reproduce it locally. God, amazing that I have this like smooth jazz, because this just. Let's change the API so it's slightly different for no reason. Okay, so I'm gonna need to run a thing on my computer, print the result. We're back to square one. Updating the asset tool. You have it set up so the stream can hear the music. Do you have it set up so the stream can hear the music? Oh, is it not? Did it like unmusic itself? It did. Wonderful. Great. There you go. Smooth jazz. Love it when it just breaks itself. Okay, it's not what I'm thinking about right now. Okay. What I need to do is print the something before something. So this is decoding the JSON just right there. I need to like clone it and print it, or we look at the API. Let's go look at the API. Cloud, 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 cloud. Was that hard to put a button for that? Like, god damn. Assets. Post. It's this one. Is the I don't know. Okay. That didn't help at all. Time to print it. I believe that it's returning some nonsense, and this is Roblox's fault. But we'll see. And it's just broken. And there's nothing I can do. But the burden of proof is on me. Okay. Operation. No, no, no. No, no, no. Response. Text equals response dot text dot await dot unwrap dot clone Are you allowed to do that? Okay. Bruh. Why is it like this? It's just a response, man. Just clone the damn thing. Are you kidding? Alright, panic. Whatever. Panic. Great. Wonderful. Great. Wonderful. Okay. Panic is all set up and ready to go. Oh my god. Okay. Downloading an asset. Oh, yeah, okay. StrafesNet asset tool. Really? You're not gonna just let me do that? Does it like predetermine that the file exists or something? StrafesNet asset tool. Target. Release asset tool. Hello? Oh, good God. Where's this error you're talking about? What are you talking about? Cannot find cloud. What? Oh, am I doing some idiot goober things? I am. Okay. Why doesn't it like give me a compiler error then? Jeez. Okay. Great. Go again. Not impressed. And where is this thing? Oh, because it didn't build. You have to refigure this out. Roblox, endlessly irritating. Why is it... What? I mean, that's totally correct, but... this is exactly what I'm... Okay, API... Key file. Okay. Staging asset right. StrafesNet staging asset right. That's the one. Okay. Okay, model. Okay, just a second. What even is this gonna do? What? Why? There's just what? This is the only one. Why did it open like a multiple thing? Oh. Um. Wait a second. Creates an asset, updates an asset. Okay, it's just the same thing. Okay. Uh. So this is not what we want. We want update asset. Okay. Okay, it's good. Can I just say help here? Ish. Okay. Asset ID. Is it this one? No. Okay, let's go find a test case to do. Where's roles? Members. Anything about the group. Okay. Like, why do I have to build URLs to navigate Roblox? Asset ID. We're going to update this asset. API key file. We've done it. Input file. Okay, it can just be literally anything. Literally anything. Stop stressing. Literally anything. I've heard this song before. Oh, this is the one I tested with last time. Sure. Okay, whatever. There you go. Yep. Okay. Go for it, man. Give it a gander. Done fault. That's it. Okay, so the Roblox API is actually straight up not working. Just like I thought. So they banned the old API and the new API doesn't work. That's the situation we're in right now. So we can't have a maps website right now because Roblox is broken. I am kind of surprised to be right. I was kind of being pessimistic. So it creates an operation. No, it doesn't even do that. It just it. Yeah, no. Their API just is completely broken. Let's see if other people are screaming about this. Roblox forums. This is the. We're planning to deprecate this. Okay, so can I like? Okay, great. Glad to be part of data collection. Closed. So I need to make a minimal repro here. Maybe. Wouldn't there be more people screaming about it? Well, I am the only one with this problem. Great. Great. Okay, well, looks like I have to make a minimal reproduction. I'm gonna use curl. Uh, curl. Can I say like file content and then up arrow? No. So we need a goddamn header. Okay. F. Parameters. Asset ID. Um, like this. Okay. And that's pretty much it. Um, text request config. Parameters. Are these like URL parameters? No parameters. Am I just doing it wrong? Could very well be. Oh, there it is. Asset ID. It's in the URL. Okay, so there it is. Request config. How did I in the form data? How did I figure this out? Jeez. Create asset, updating an existing asset. Asset type, asset ID, creation context. So apparently there's more crap, but it doesn't matter. See if this works. All right, grab it. Question mark update mask. Description display name. Crikey. Alright, well, good luck. We need to find something to update. This. Just a random model owned by this dude. Doesn't matter. Incredible. Okay. So we need to have this other crap. With quotes. Very, very descriptive error, Roblox. Really, really helps. Let me know if you need to upload again. I can click the button. Thanks for helping. Patch. Am I sending the wrong request? That looks good. Post patch. Looks good. Request patch. Curl patch. Okay. Invalid argument. Creating a model. That's not what's going on. What is that? Oh, jeez. What the hell? Redirect. Why is that in their example? Great. Nice. Exactly what I wanted. Thanks. So this is just wrong. So this says creation context. Does it just magically fail with no error when, or it magically pretends to succeed? Like, just, who knows? Who knows? I literally just have to test it myself. Mm. So it's saying you can't create an asset. I'm just assuming that this is a bogus error message because this is a patch request to the asset update endpoint. Um, asset type. Let's try that. Yeah, let's spread out the documentation over multiple pages. So you really have to like look for it, you know? Are we... Yeah, okay, YouTube is trolling me again. Is my piracy done? Yes. Assets, V1 asset. Content type in the form data. Content type. Mimester. Right. Okay, well that's create, isn't it? Okay. We'll give it a shot. Mimester. How did this happen? Oof. URL. Okay, so then we need this garbage. Actually, that's the same. Serialize. Why is it serial? Okay, update. Okay. 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 Oh, Jeez. Okay, that's why. I'm editing the wrong file. Gotcha. I'm like, why is it not? Why don't I have an IDE? Okay, are you good? Okay, it's good. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's go, baby. I'm so excited to do this. I love trying to figure out what's required and what's optional. Totally manually. It's just the best. I need either of these. So I tested asset creation and it worked, but I never tested the updating assets, which is... What happened? So this is confusing. Oh, no, that makes sense actually. Okay. So it wants the freaking asset ID for some freaking reason. Sure, bud. I'll give it to you in 2 places. You don't worry your pretty little face. There you go, bud. That's what you wanted. Okay, so now we get a body with a mime string. And we got all this duplicate information, bad data normalization, just like Roblox wants. Maybe something different will happen. Who knows? I just need to test it. There's literally just one thing. Okay, that's the wrong thing. Dude, there's only one. Stop going to all of them. Okay. Now we have some crap. Let's go. Try again. No curl. So now it also needs asset type model RBXM, if I remember correctly. Okay, so it just silently pretends to succeed if you do it wrong. No errors. It just returns you an incomplete JSON object. That is just the most idiotic thing Oh my god. Okay, it's not my API. I just have to deal with it. Okay, so this is like what I expected to get actual information out of the response. Okay, so now that we get actual information out of the response, it can actually be used. So I don't believe this is true. I don't think you need a file name. Let's test it though, because you never know. So, yeah, I don't know. Roblox is just crazy. So this is a breaking change. Because this public struct with public fields changes. Required field. Let's go. Okay, it's built. None, 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 none. That is impressive. Impressive incompetence. So here, you have to have a file name or Roblox will pretend to succeed. Um, uh, yes, document Roblox's idiocy and then move on. Okay, so that is that. We can now release a new version. Sure, whatever. Just Semver. Okay, so now that we have a working API library, we can go in here. Wait, what the hell? Oh, I see. Cloud. Nice, good catch. Okay. Yeah. And then now it'll give me some compile errors, which is what we want. Set type. Freaking, I don't know, cloud asset type. Is it subtype actually? Yes, it is. Subtype. Please stop mashing keys. RBXM model. And then creation context, none. We don't need it. Validator, same crap. Okay. Cool. That is the actual order. What is all this? Why is there two versions? Right. Very irritating. It's okay. It's okay. Just make it work. It's okay. Screw it. We ball. Okay. Now we wait 5 minutes. Oh. Multi-billion-dollar corporation. God, how do you... I guess you just don't write it in Rust. That's how you make an API that can say that it succeeded when it failed. That's not true. But my assumption is that's written in like JavaScript or something obscene like that. Oh man, I'm just a big ball of joy. Big ball of hate. I hate Roblox APIs. Ah! I said moving on, and then I didn't move on. It's kind of on me that I didn't test it. I thought I did test it, but I only tested half of it because there's create and update. I tested model create and it worked. Delicious. My friend is making these cool visualizations. Look at this. It's a top-down visualization of real data from bHop. He's having a great time doing this. Music, come back. Wow, another full album. Pretty cool. Failure. Now is it a spurious failure? Ah, it's a type error. Oh, the combobulator is using the cookie API? Um, I didn't know that. Okay, I'm just gonna bruh. Really? Really, dude? Map tool download asset cookie. Huh. Whatever. Whatever. Just let her be. Combobulator uses cookie API. Okay, let's try it deploying again. I didn't feel like waiting. Time for testing prod pull request number 3. Let's go. We love testing in production. Love it, love it, love it. Stating the master map service. Off we go. Well, we got 5 minutes, so. Hi. I'm fuming. Roblox forced everyone to switch to a poorly documented API, and I wasn't informed personally, I guess. There was an announcement, but it wasn't announced loudly enough. It's really my fault. I wanted to switch to the API. And yeah, they broke our infrastructure by deprecating the old API rather quickly. Any reviews today? I just did. The code isn't ready. The one you want. This thing I told Tongue to request review when the code is ready. The dependencies are merged, which is nice. So like it's depending on these other things. That's not behind my camera, right? It is behind my camera. There we go. So there's two other bits that are deeper in the infrastructure that were required, and we have finished reviewing those now. It's funny. You just added another thing to the replay thing. Look at this. What's up with this slow start? You see the like AD presses? It's cool. It's a little octagon. It's fun. Failure. Okay, so it's trolling me again. I'm gonna go and do things about it. Okay, well. The great pain continues. Roblox asset 7. Oh dear. So for this guy, what we need is gzip and cookie. Update objects asset. What the hell? What's all this? Oh, switching to Rust TLS. Freaky. Okay, I guess. Just needs review for its name. Not what I said at all. Tommy needs to update the code so that it works. What am I doing? I need to publish a new version of Mappa Tula. 303. Cool, I think. What happened last time? Where Mappa Tula? Okay. Yeah, bud. Annoying. Should be good. Go for it, brother. I just want to fix this one thing. Like, I could change this to like not use the cookie API anymore, but okay. Now we go back to map service and something happens. Yeah, map tool 303. There you go, bud. Update map tool. Hey, nice minus. Crikey, that's a lot of minus. Okay, let's give it another go. Testing prod number 4. Let's go, baby. Did I get it? Very annoying. I'm not really sure how to avoid that. I'll think about it later. Or never. Because, like, it's done. Okay, time to wait another 5 minutes for everything to build. You know, it'd be fun. Playing game. Any second now. The lines will stop being red lines and instead will start being green lines. And then everything will work and everyone will be happy. They'll be cheering and the pain will be over. What a Friday. Let's see. Roos. $30 FPS. Five minutes. Chop chop. Deploy that update. Yay, the green check mark. Green check marks. Okay. The clicking. Me when I click the things that need clicking. Okay. Am I logged in? Yes. Audit events. Uploading no operation ID. Work. I just don't care. Like, I could make the world a better place for other people by like freaking out at Roblox, being like, "Your API has this bug where this happens when you do this." I fixed it. I'm done. Okay, well, it is completed. Is this another case of refreshed page? Yes, okay. Goodbye, Roblox garbage. Bye, bye, bye. Goodbye, beautiful maps website that is no longer broken. That just hit me like a hammer. I think I need stress relief. I'm gonna go get a burrito. It is Friday. But I should really keep working on the physics. I was gonna try and make a tutorial because, like, once again, money is a problem.
Stress relief. I need stress relief. It's true, I need stress relief. Can you tell?
All right. Well, I'm gonna go do that. Bye. I fixed the maps website. It's fixed. Despite Roblox's best efforts to make it impossible to know how to work it. Okay. I may return on Monday. Probably. I have a decent track record. Not recently. But historically, over the past 5 years, I have been doing good work. I'm really trying to like get my hours up. I tend to work for like 3 hours these days. I would like to work more, but it's started to become part of the habit where I feel done when I do one thing. Part of it I think is just that the tasks are less large. Like when I was developing the game update over the course of 2 years, I would work for like 14 hours some days, but that's because I just wasn't done the single task that I was working on yet. There's just a lot of work to do. And now I have a lot of like disparate and like sort of ethereal goals. It's not as concrete. It's also more difficult than what I was doing before. And add to that I like imposed a limit on myself, or not a limit, a like minimum. You must stream at least 3 hours. And then so what that did, instead of making me work more, once I reached 3 hours, I was like, oh, I reached 3 hours. All right, we're done. And that repetition of like reaching 3 hours has created a new habit where I stopped working after 3 hours, which was the opposite effect. So now, there's no minimum that I need to reach. I've been working for 2.5 hours. No limit. Ow. No limit. There's no restriction. I'm hoping by removing the restriction, I'll sort of like just kind of like do whatever. And because I want to work more, I'll just work more over time and build back up. That's my hope. But Roblox has defeated me today, so that's it. I will retire, and I'll come back on Monday. Work on cool and fun things. Bye.